Hello Nasties, beautiful day in Houston. Family's in town from New York. Gonna grab a pizza, work on a project for my mom's birthday, and TiVo's right there. What's up?
I could be sleeping.
You could be, but you're not. It's not illegal to vlog and drive. When it becomes illegal to vlog and drive, I will try to not get caught. So we're washing each other's cars now. We're doing TiVo's car first, because he brought the supplies.
Oh, okay. Who the fuck you should be in like white tank tops and
Jumpsuits?
jean shorts.
You want to? I got some jean shorts.
With some white snake going on or something?
Yeah. You want to get on top, TiVo? Get on top real quick.
No.
Yeah, you're playing with my hose. TiVo, stop squirting everywhere. But yeah, I'm not going to show you his license plate, so. Because I don't want you guys to follow TiVo, because I know he's sexy and all. But whatevs. Anyways.
You're filming a lot.
Alright guys, so we just finished TiVo's car. Now we're washing my car, and I probably haven't washed my car in like a year or two.
I think more than that.
Probably more than that. But
have you ever had it washed since I've met you?
Yeah, right now. That's the back part. So this should be fun.
For who?
For you, duh. We're still doing some of the work. But here's my tire. Here's the tire that's not yet been cleaned. See it? Here's the after. Oh, there she is. Clean car. Advertisement. Meaning Nissan send me another car.
What?
Let's see. No.
Naruto cards?
Nice.
Sasuke?
No. They used to have Justin Bieber trading cards.
What?
Yeah. So we're at Target right now because I really like these pocket tees that they've been selling, so I'm gonna grab some.
Justin Bieber.
So let's go to my car. Oh wait, blocked. Alright guys, we're the cousins. Oh, vlogging status. Vlogging status. TheJonastyChronicles. Let's do this. Let's get drunk and let's go hit out some girls and be like, "What's up, girls? I like your vajay." Alright, we're heading up to the Asian market right now. Get some crawfish, suckers, because these fools don't know about crawfish. What do you know about crawfish, haters? Oh.
Yes.
Liar. Liar. It's hot. It's too hot for him. It's hot in the car. I don't know why it's Jill so.
I thought we were getting it from someone's backyard.
What the heck? We're not that Hickville. Oh, it smells like an Asian house in here. Alright guys, this is we're at my cousin's place now drinking before we go out tonight. We're gonna eat a little bit. Wearing my skinny jeans.
I'm not sure if it's
I think
Those are skinny.
yeah. You think I can pull this off?
I think it's twist.
Yeah?
You got this.
You already did.
I already did. Check out the view, guys. That's a nice view.
Yeah, I got a picture already.
Yeah. Hey, why are you vlogging? This is my show. This is my channel. Same.
Alright, this is a new trick that we learned.
Oh, really?
Moscato and fresh squeezed orange juice actually make a pretty darn good substitute for mimosas. Maybe even better. Is it cold enough?
That's pretty good. It's more orange.
Uh-oh, we need more. Need more one.
Let's get
That's
it.
because of him. Okay, now try it.
I meant TiVo.
That's good. That's good.
Money out of this, dog. You gotta be recording us, you better start making money, dog.
You just want the money. You don't
Just
get no
stop
money. Alright, we made it to the bar finally. CJ's here. We're gonna party. Sorry. It wasn't my idea. You know me, I'm always on top. And even before. No, I'm vlogging.
Are you serious?
Dude, she did more moves than you, bitch.
Yeah, she did. I was just doing the straight cat daddy. I wasn't doing anything extra.
She was doing the whole dance routine.
But she had the sex appeal, so fuck.
She was doing the whole dance routine by what's his name.
Fuck yeah. Go home and work with my fucking cat daddy.
Right now?
Doesn't everybody want to get CJ naked? CJ, show your boobs.
Sorry, YouTube.
Sorry, YouTube. Hello, you porn. Or you